In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Paperform with Monday.com. We'll be using Zapier as the bridge between these two tools. By the end, anytime someone submits a Paperform form, Zapier will automatically send that data into Monday.com, so you don't have to copy and paste anything manually. To start, open Zapier and head over to the App Connections area. This is where you can see and manage the apps you're connecting through Zapier. Once you're there, look for the Create button near the top of the screen and click it. From the options that appear, choose to create a new Zap. A Zap is simply an automated workflow that connects your apps together. In the Zap editor, you'll see two main sections: Trigger at the top and Action below it. The trigger is what starts the automation. Go ahead and click on the Trigger section. In the search bar that appears, type Paperform, then select Paperform from the list of apps. Next, you'll be asked to choose an event. This is a specific thing that needs to happen in Paperform to kick off your Zap, like a new form submission. Pick the event that best matches what you want, then continue. At this point, Zapier will ask you to sign into your Paperform account. Click to sign in and follow the prompts. You may need to authorize Zapier to access your Paperform data, so just confirm those permissions. When you're done, make sure Zapier shows that your Paperform account is connected successfully. Now, let's set up what happens in Monday.com. Scroll down to the Action section and click on it. In the app search bar, start typing Monday.com and then select Monday.com from the results. Again, you'll need to choose an event. This time, it's what you want Zapier to do in Monday.com, like creating or updating an item. Select the action that fits your workflow. After that, click to select an account and connect your Monday.com account to Zapier. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully here as well, granting access when prompted. Once both accounts are connected and your events are selected, Zapier will guide you through mapping the data fields from Paperform to the fields in Monday.com. Follow the on-screen prompts, make sure